Sometimes my Crocs make me lose balance. I feel like I'm drunk, but I'm not. Sometimes it's severe when I'm out walking. Where my leg had the blood clot, it feels like arthritis in it, and then my lower back from the epidurals. I mean, I've had that trouble since I had children from
Whoa,
92 and
there's.
98.
Hey, hey.
No.
They're up on the roof.
Oh,
Those are huge.
not at all. I don't. I read and do puzzle books, and I walk, and so
There.
I don't. I have things to do. No, not at all. No, no, I don't drink. My landlord hasn't fixed my oven, but I have a microwave. But no, we have these little. My cousin said they're little. Oh,
Cave crickets.
cave crickets. They come in once in a while, and they're weird looking, but they don't come in often. I mean, it's just weird looking. They look like part grasshopper, and they have these freaky bendy legs, and but we don't see them that much.
That one won't move.
None. I haven't been. It's an emergency for St. Peter's forever.
There's more. Oh, that went right past me.
If I needed any health care, I'd go to the ER real quick.
Mom's talking to some Medicare or United Healthcare or something people on the phone about getting us like free food with her health insurance next year. We're gonna get more than 200 some dollars worth a month for like healthy foods and stuff. I think it's United Healthcare or something. She's talking to a woman. I told the woman Twinkies are healthy. Mom, they were laughing.
Are they still down there?
Yeah,
I wonder what died.
I don't know.
Who?
When you see a bunch of these,
Fastest birds I ever seen.
when you see a bunch of vultures around, it means something died close by. Yeah.
They're down at my neighbor, the drunks. They're on the sidewalk. He ain't laying down there dead, is he?
Nah, they probably want some of his alcohol.
Cody said they probably want some of his alcohol.
That's the drunk guy's house.
He's a drunk, yeah. Yeah, we live around all kinds. Next door, across the street, we have an arsonist. He set the park on fire a few months ago, him and another guy, and blamed this black lady's grandkids for it. And just, yeah, we live everywhere we move. We live around weirdos.
Well, I'm gonna get off of here. I just wanted to show the birds.
Yeah.
There they go.